Hey guys, first take up here, and this is the Infinix Hot 10T. In today's video, I'm going to review it and give you guys my thoughts about it, so to help you guys make that purchase decision. But first, let's start with the unboxing experience. When you open the box, you're greeted with the device itself, with emphasis on its major selling points like the 48 megapixels camera, Helio G70 gaming processor, and a 90Hz fast refresh rate. You get some basic accessories like the 10 watts charger, the earpiece, a plastic silicone case, a micro USB charging cable, a SIM card removal tool, some paperwork, and a lookalike dollar bill for X Club registration. Okay, so back to the device. The Infinix Hot 10T is a device that carries the familiar design as we've seen on most previous Infinix devices. There's nothing groundbreaking about the design here, but I'll say it is functional. The color I have here is what Infinix calls Heart of Ocean. It looks okay, but nothing too exciting about it. It feels durable and well put together. Plastic is what you get from most entry-level device, and this is not an exception, which even makes it more durable. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. To the left, we've got a SIM tray that can take dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got a headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB charging port, and the speaker grill. At the rear, houses a triple camera setup with some AI branding, the fingerprint scanner, a quad flash, and Infinix branding. Moving on to the front of the device, we've got a 6.82-inch HD Plus display with a teardrop notch that houses an 8 megapixels camera. The display is an IPS panel that outputs a resolution of 720 by 1640 and a pixels density of 263. The display is sharp and bright. It is fairly decent when it comes to outdoor visibility. Watching YouTube videos and general media consumption is very okay on here. The fingerprint scanner on here is pretty fast and responsive. These days, I'm so used to a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and I feel that's the right place for a physical fingerprint scanner. But that's just me. Most people might prefer this particular solution. Face unlock is also available if you prefer it. Okay, let's talk specifications. The Infinix Hot 10T comes with the MediaTek Helio G70 processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, a 5000 mAh battery, and what is keeping the show running is Android 11 with a custom XOS 7.6 skin. One of the Infinix Hot 10 main selling points is the gaming processor and the 90Hz fast refresh rate. And I have to say that gaming is very impressive for the price. You can play high graphics demanding games at medium settings, browse the internet with ease without any hiccups. It can handle multiple background apps smoothly, and launching apps is very impressive as well. For the price you're paying for this, performance is really impressive. The 90Hz refresh rate on here makes everything really smooth. Scrolling and app switching is really good. If you decide to get a third-party launcher like Nova Launcher and get rid of some bloatware, the experience will even be more enjoyable than its current state. I feel like XOS just need a whole revamp. The 5000 mAh battery is good and can comfortably last for more than a day on a single charge. The disappointing part about it is the slow 10 watt charger it comes with. Charging it from 0 to 100% took more than 3 hours plus, which is something you might want to put into consideration. Other than that, the battery life is good. Now, moving on to the part that you all have been waiting for, which is the camera. The Infinix Hot 10T comes with a huge 48 megapixels camera as its main sensor, a 2 megapixels depth sensor, and a touch sensor that is unknown for now. As it stands, I feel like the main sensor is the only active sensor on board here. On the selfie side, we've got an 8 megapixels camera. For the first time in a Hot series, that the camera looks very impressive. The main camera captures outstanding photos. The resolve details is very impressive, and there's no noticeable noise. Colors looks nice and dynamic range is decent too, but not the best that I've seen. Most images are processed by AI, and I like the fact that images is closer to real life. Photos had natural looks with balanced processing. Where it has problem is in poor lighting condition. The image becomes soft and lacks details. Portrait image is impressive as well with good edge detection, but definitely not perfect. Selfie on the other hand is sharp with acceptable details. If you're looking for a smartphone with a very good selfie camera, the Hot 10T might not be the device for you. That being said, the selfie camera is decent for its price point. On the video aspect, the Infinix Hot 10T can shoot in 2K with no video stabilization. The 2K footage looks good and sharp. What's up guys, so this is a front-facing camera on the Infinix Hot 10T. So this can shoot in 2K, and this is actually the 2K footage, 30 frames per second. So this is quite a sunny day and this thing is holding up very well. I think it's okay. But you guys should let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Alright. So in conclusion, the Infinix Hot 10T is a decent device for the price and I will highly recommend it. The rear camera is very decent, performance is very impressive, and 90Hz refresh rate takes it to another level. And to top it all, the battery life is very impressive. It has some downside like the lack of USB Type-C, a fast charger out of the box, but those can be easily forgiven because what it gets right is more than the negative. So that has been it guys. Share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.